Did you record a great moment, but your hands were shaking too much? Shaky footage looks amateur and can even make your viewers feel dizzy. You do not need an expensive gimbal to fix this. Today, I am going to show you how to turn shaky chaos into smooth cinematic footage using Filmora 15. First, double-click on your shaky video clip in the timeline. This will open the settings panel on the right side of the screen. Make sure you are in the Video tab. Scroll down until you find the option for Stabilization. Click the switch to turn it on immediately. Filmora will automatically start analyzing your video frame by frame. Wait a few seconds for the processing to finish. Once it is done, now, play back the video. The shakes are completely gone. It looks like you recorded the shot using a professional tripod or Steadicam. Wonder if this tool saved your footage? Please hit that like button. And do not forget to subscribe for more Filmora 15 editing secrets.